back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead will be from the company Altisource. They are a real estate company. They have 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor, and their rating comes in at 3.2 out of 5 stars. As always, in case you want to do your own research on the company, read some of the reviews, or put that application in, the links to everything I share, including the Glassdoor page, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But Altisource is hiring a full-time remote credit verification specialist. Now, it does say this is for US-based only, but they are looking for somebody to basically manage the credit verification desk queue for their real estate mortgage loan division. It says you'll facilitate the onboarding of members into their credit and verification programs. You'll coordinate the training with the members. You'll act as a tier 1 customer support, so you'll own and manage the credit and verifications help desk queue. You'll act as a liaison between operations, sales, and clients. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. It does say knowledge or experience in mortgage loan origination process would be extremely helpful, but they're not even requiring any experience in mortgage loans. They are looking for somebody who has the ability to multitask, has great organizational skills, someone who can handle confidential information and in a professional manner. They're looking for someone who has some kind of customer service experience in a client-facing environment. They want somebody who knows how to use those different ticketing systems like Salesforce, Zendesk, Meridian Link, or some kind of credit verification experience. And of course, you have to work well under pressure and be a multitasker and be able to juggle many different projects at once. But if that is you, pay is fairly decent for this position. They're paying anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, accident benefits, life insurance, and of course, paid time off. Alright, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding to those, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.